Now, adenomyosis is one of the most important causes of bulky uterus, and it happens when the inner lining of the uterus, the cells which line the uterus, they migrate and they come in the muscle layer of the uterus, causing it to enlarge. This bulky uterus can cause a lot of symptoms, and let us see what are these symptoms. Number one and foremost is heavy and prolonged menstrual bleeding. A patient can suffer since months and years with heavy menstrual flow, and no medicine is usually effective in controlling it in many cases. Now, such patients can land up in anemia, they can have fatigue, and they can have reduced quality of life. The other most common symptom of adenomyosis is severe pain. Now, these patients have knife-like stabbing pain, and it can cause a lot of discomfort. They can have pelvic pressure, they can have bad backaches, and they can also have difficulty in passing urine or stools. Now, they can have frequency of urination also. Now, when these patients are young, there's problem in conceiving also. Now, thick bulky uterus can impact the implantation, and these patients, if they conceive also, can result in miscarriages or preterm deliveries. There could be other complications in pregnancies such as abnormal placental implantation or preterm childbirth. Now, this can severely impact emotionally all the patients. So, it is important that we treat adenomyosis timely.